Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with power on, presser foot up, and a properly wound bobbin. This prevents jams and gives even feed. Once the bobbin is seated and the spool sits on the pin, follow the thread path through the tension discs and take up lever so tension works correctly. Pull the top thread through the needle from front to back, then turn the handwheel toward you to catch the bobbin thread and bring both to the top before lowering the presser foot. With threads in place, set the stitch length and type according to fabric. Knit fabrics need shorter stitches and lightweight fabrics need smaller lengths for support. Make sure the presser foot is lowered so fabric engages feed dogs. This controls even movement. Guide the fabric with light hands, don't pull, and use the machine's seam markings to keep lines straight. Once you start, press the foot pedal slowly to learn the rhythm, and always backstitch one to finish. Stop with the needle down or up depending on rotation, trim threads, and raise the presser foot to release fabric. Regularly remove lint from the bobbin case and apply a drop of sewing machine oil where the manual directs to maintain smooth operation. If you hit a problem like thread bunching or skipped stitches, stop, rethread the top and bobbin in sequence. Check that the needle is the correct type and not bent, and reset tension. That fixes most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.